I don't know, mate. I'm not f***ing with cameras. I've got a phone.
You're about to drive a car with a sequential gearbox. You can't fucking press and record on a camera.
That's easy. Pull back.
Yeah. What's that noise?
The brake booster.
It's nice.
Oh,
Welcome back to the channel. Blake, Dean. So, in typical fashion of this car, brakes and rotors are now here, and in typical Dean fashion, got them fully done, rebuilt, complete. Like, they're fucking magical to look at, to be honest. So he slapped those on last night, so you guys will watch that now. And now that that is all done, they look so sick on the car. They look like deep gloss black. They look so sweet. So now we are going to just bleed the brakes and bleed the clutch while we're there. So it's a bit of a two-man job. So here we are. So we have Brembo brake fluid, which probably cost a lot. Knowing Brembo. It's nothing special about this. I'm probably just going to be the two-way method of bleeding brakes, push the foot down, turn the nipple off, blah, 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 blah. If you don't know how to do that, look up a YouTube video that explains it better than I just did.
Okay, load it up. Go again.
I'm still pushing down.
I'll push it to the floor.
Yeah. It's on the floor now.
Right, back up. Is it coming up automatically?
Yeah.
Pump it a few times.
Floor.
Just pump it, pump, 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 pump. Right, go all the way to the floor.
Floor.
It's coming now slowly. Right, go again. Pump it a couple of times. And now hold it down once you're down.
Yeah, all the way on the floor. Just press stop on that camera over there.
Where is it?
On the side. What, as if you're going to take a photo underneath the furry thing?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Yes, that's it. Is it recording?
I think so.
Is that touchscreen or
How
what?
can you build cars? How does that fucking happen?
I don't know, mate. I'm not f***ing with cameras. I've got a phone.
How? You imagine driving a car with a sequential gearbox? You can't fucking press a record on a camera.
That's easy. Pull back.
Yeah. I've done the gearbox down so it's simpler.
It's the simplest gearbox you can get. It literally is. Next is auto. Alright. Down.
Brakes done. Onto the clutch. Given how long this has taken, it probably would have been quicker just to gravity bleed this. But instead, Dean's got his makeshift bong / one-man bleed bottle.
No bongs here, mate.
Done. Let's see how that actually feels. Plan B, the clutch didn't want to play, so now we're trying to try and suck it to at least start it and then go from there. Yeah. Yep, stop there. Just gonna fill this up.
And you'll have a pedal now, because that would not be full, but it would definitely be better than it was. Where the f is the stand? You'll have pedal now, I reckon. Not much.
Up at the moment?
Yep.
Yeah, so it's better.
Yeah, it's moving down the inside.
Down.
Yeah, hang on, just pump it up a bit.
3:28 a.m.
Down. Up.
No, it's even worse now, eh?
Yeah.
Righto, all good. Let's leave it for now.
Yeah.
I'm going to go to my bed and do a bit of research on it, because I think that is a big, because that's a Nismo thingo. So you're getting nothing, and then you're getting the arse end of it, which is the arse end of it is all of that,
Yeah.
which is only the start of that. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because that is an out of an S15.
Ah.
So I need to go and get a 5.8 master cylinder. Where's my phone? What is my phone?
Over here.
I need a 5.8 master cylinder.
Alrighty, we are back, and in typical Built by Blake fashion, I got to editing this and realised that it didn't even have an outro. So where we left off last time, you're going to have to excuse the work that's been done on the car, because it is now months later. I don't know. Anyway, the problem that we were having was this little guy here. So our master cylinder for our clutch, the slave cylinder down on the OS88 sequential wasn't big enough, or it wasn't paired right, or it wasn't correct for the amount of depth that was pushing. It just like it would push everything it could push, and it would barely even take the OS88 off the clutch, off the tranny. So you understand what I'm trying to say here. Anyway, Dean did some researching, jumped online and said, blah, 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 this is what I got, this is what I have, this is my problem that I'm doing. And there was some guys, they just said, yep, this is the slave cylinder that you want. And now, look at him. Oh yeah, that's nice. Fully bled up now, mad pressure, mad back pressure. And Dean and I bled it up before, and he was under the car and he was happy with how far that was actually pulling it off. So lo and behold, as per normal, the forums saved the day. a couple of you guys will notice that the GTR is now moved spots in the shed. We've made some headway in the last couple of days. So that is it for this episode. Brakes looking magical. I can't show you them because I can't. Thanks for watching. That is us done and dusted for this episode. So like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. It helps out fucking heaps actually. So anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Bye!
Ever since you shut the door on everything we knew, you're too late for love, feeling your true love, and on love.